Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. Then you need to choose Connected Devices and click on Pair New Device. After that, just wait for available ones to show, and when they do, tap on the chosen one. Now, in order to connect, select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my smartphones were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this icon next to the device and clicking on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, click on Pair New Device, click on it and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!